Welcome to the first Disk Content AI tutorial. In this video we will discover how to use the app to catalog disks and search for files. Launch Disk Content AI. The area on the left shows all volumes connected to the Mac, both internal disks and those attached via USB port, as well as network drives. To scan a disk, click on this icon. This is a 5 TB spinning disks external drive connected via USB-C to a MacBook Pro with an Apple Silicon processor. As you can see, the scanning speed is relatively fast. Once the scan is finished, you can see the date of the last scan here. Immediately after the scan, the much longer media scan begins, which is shown with this blue scroll bar. We will focus on media in later tutorials. Searching for files and folders is the easiest thing. Just start typing something into the search field, immediately results will appear. As you continue typing, the search will taper off, showing only those files or folders that contain all the words typed in the search field. In this case we chose 3 words: Ulti, Media and Logo. All files that contain all 3 words, even in random order in the name, will be found. The part on the left here shows the disk on which the file resides. If it is colored dark gray, it means that the disk is not currently connected to the computer. If you click on the icon on the right side, you can open the related folder window in the Finder. If the disk is not connected to the Mac, you will see this error message. You can sort the search results by name, size and date of creation or modification, ascending or descending, simply by pressing on these buttons. At the bottom, the entire path of folders and subfolders is shown for the selected file. If you click with the mouse, it will show the folder in the Finder. Enable the filter in the search bar. All these options will appear to refine your search. You can specify whether to show only folders. This option makes the search much faster when you are looking for a certain project and not a single file. You can specify a minimum file size. Finally, you can enable a very precise search for dates, indicating the date the file was created or modified. You can at this point choose whether to show files with a later date, earlier than a certain date, or by indicating a date range. You can also specify to search for files dated in a certain year, or in month and year. If you click on the Save Search button, it will be added to the panel on the right. At any instant you can click on this panel to show it, and by clicking on a search, it will be performed again. This is a dynamic search, so files that were added after the time of saving the search will also be found if they match the criteria. Press the Add Folder button to add it to the disk list, in case you want to have a single folder under control and not an entire drive. Once added, the folder behaves like a disk, with all scanning and cataloging policies. You can, for example, add the Documents folder on your Mac's startup disk, which is where, reasonably, you will have saved all your current projects. Delete all the text in the search bar. Click on one of the scanned hard drives. You can navigate the tree of folders and subfolders as you would in the Finder. Folder tree navigation is available even when the disk is not connected to the computer. This ends the first Disk Content AI tutorial. To find out more, go to ulti.media/disk.